Welcome to the 4th edition of Wildlife Monthly, your seasonal guide to British wildlife with me, Adam Canning. So all you need to do is spare 1 hour between the 2nd and 10th of June to sit and watch the wildlife on your doorstep or your local park. The survey includes summer migrant birds like swifts and house martins, and other wildlife such as moles and deer. By doing this survey, it will help the RSPB get an idea of how wildlife is faring this summer. Record the highest number of each species you see at any one time, not the total number you see over an hour, as you may get the same bird or animal visiting several times. Only record the birds that land in your garden or park, not the ones that are flying over, with the exception of swifts and house martins, as these are most likely to be seen whilst they're flying. If you see nothing during your hour, still fill in the form and let the RSPB know.